Do you want to speak English fluently but feel stuck? Do you study grammar rules but still can't have a real conversation? What if I told you that you've been learning English the wrong way this entire time? Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson with English Learning Booster, and I'm here to help you master English faster than you ever thought possible. Today, we're going to break down the most effective tips and strategies to learn English quickly, speak fluently, and gain confidence in your communication skills. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, these tips will transform your English learning journey. You see, most people spend years studying English but never become fluent. Why? Because they focus on the wrong things. They memorize grammar rules but can't speak. They learn vocabulary but forget it the next day. They study textbooks but can't understand real conversations. But not anymore. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to share proven methods that will help you learn English fast and speak like a native. So grab a notebook, take notes, and let's begin your transformation into a confident English speaker. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our English lessons. Now, let's get started. Let's start with the first and most important tip. Stop translating in your head. This is the biggest mistake English learners make. When someone speaks to you in English, you translate it into your native language. Think of a response in your native language, then translate it back to English. This process is slow, exhausting, and prevents you from becoming fluent. Here's what you need to do instead. Start thinking in English. When you see a chair, don't think chair in your language plus chair in English. Just think chair. When you want to say something, force yourself to think directly in English, even if your sentences are simple at first. Practice this exercise. Throughout your day, describe what you're doing in English. I am making coffee. I am walking to work. I am feeling tired. At first, it will be difficult. Your brain will resist. But within a few weeks, you'll notice that English words start coming naturally without translation. This single tip will accelerate your fluency more than anything else. Remember, think in English, live in English, breathe in English. Tip number 2. Use graded readers to build your vocabulary naturally. What are graded readers? They are books written specifically for English learners, using simple vocabulary and grammar appropriate for your level. Why are they so effective? Because they teach you vocabulary in context. Instead of memorizing random word lists, you learn words through stories that are interesting and easy to understand. When you read a graded reader, you see the same vocabulary repeated multiple times in different contexts. This natural repetition helps words stick in your memory. How to use graded readers. Choose the right level. If you're a beginner, start with level 1 or 2. If you're intermediate, try level 3 or 4. Read consistently. Read at least 15 to 20 minutes every day. Consistency is more important than quantity. Don't use a dictionary for every word. Try to understand meaning from context. Only look up words that appear frequently. Reread your favorites. Reading the same book twice helps reinforce vocabulary and grammar patterns. Recommended graded reader series: Oxford Bookworms Library, Cambridge English Readers, Penguin Readers. Start today, and within a few months, you'll be amazed at how much your vocabulary has grown. Tip number 3. Immerse yourself in English by listening every single day. Your ears need training. If you only listen to English during study time, your progress will be slow. But if you surround yourself with English throughout the day, your listening skills will improve dramatically. Here's how to do it. In the morning, listen to English podcasts or audiobooks while getting ready or commuting. In the afternoon, watch English YouTube videos during lunch or breaks. In the evening, watch English TV shows or movies before bed. The key is passive and active listening. Passive listening means having English playing in the background while you do other activities. This trains your ear to recognize sounds and rhythms. Active listening means sitting down and focusing completely on understanding what you hear. Best resources for listening practice. Podcasts like BBC Learning English, ESL Pod, All Ears English. YouTube channels like Easy English, Learn English with TV series, BBC Learning English. Netflix or YouTube, where you can watch with English subtitles first, then without subtitles. Subscribe to the channel for more English lessons, tips, and strategies. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can become fluent in English. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and never give up. See you in the next lesson. Good luck on your English learning journey.